Dear student, today we are discussing one Ncert chapter and the chapter name is Trigonometric function. And today we are discussing the exercise 3.2 and this is a continuation of the Trigonometric function chapter from the Ncert book by Sumongalsir. Now we are starting the exercise 3.2. In 3.2, first question is cos of x is equal to half trigonometric function. We want to find sine, tan, cot, sec, cosec, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 from cos of x is equal to half and x is lies in third quadrant. So this will be minus because we know that this is the all plus and this is the sine plus as well as cosec plus and this is the tan plus and this is the cos as well as sec. Now this is the x o x dash and this is the y o y dash. Now according our standard formula we know that sec of x is equal to 1 by cos, so this will be minus 2, and we know that sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. If we put the value of cos, then we get sine x is equal to 1 minus half square. So this will be 1 minus 1 by 4, that is root 3 by 2. So sine of x is root 3 by 2. Since this is lies on the third quadrant, so sine x will be minus root 3 by 2. Okay, sec is done and sine is done. Now we are looking for tan and cot. Tan theta, that is tan x is equal to, we know that sine x by cos of x. So by putting the value sine of x root 3 by 2 and cos of x, this is, then we get root 3. Since we are discussing in third quadrant, so tan will be positive. So cot of x is equal to 1 by tan, that is 1 by root 3. And now from here we can find cosec. Cosec x will be minus 2 by root 3. So cosec is done, sec is done, sine is done, tan is done and cot is done. So all of these are done. Okay, so this is a complete of first. Now we move to the second. Now second question is sine of x is equal to 3 by 5 and this is the second quadrant. So all sine, tan, cos, this is the x o x dash is the o and y o y dash. Now sine of x is equal to 3 by 5. We are discussing in second quadrant. So from this cosec theta, that is cosec x will be 5 by 3 and cos theta, that is cos x, will be root under 1 minus sine square, that is 9 by 25. Now calculating we get 4 by 5. Since this is the second quadrant, so value of cos must be minus. This is the cos of x. Now sec of x is equal to reciprocal of this. So minus 5 by 4 is the sec of x. Now tan of x is sin x by cos x. Put the value sin x and cos x. Sin x is 3 by 5 and cos of x is equal to minus of this. Because 1 by cos is here, so this is the value. Now calculating, we get minus 3 by 4. This is the tan of x. Now cot of x will be reciprocal of tan, that is minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3 is the value of cot x, and the value of tan x is minus 3 by 4, and the value of sec x is equal to minus 5 by 4, and value of cos x is equal to minus 4 by 5, and value of cos x is equal to 5 by 3, and value of sin x is given. So this is the complete of second. Now we move to the third. Third question is cot of x is equal to 3 by 4, and this is also discussed in third quadrant. So this is the tan as well as cot. So this is the x, o x dash, and y, o y dash. Now cot of x is equal to this, so tan of x is equal to 4 by 3. From here, sec of x is equal to root under 1 plus tan square, that is 16 by 9. By calculating, we get 5 by 3. Since we are discussing in third quadrant, so sec of x will be minus. So this is the minus. Now cos of x will be minus 3 by 5. Now using this, sin of x is equal to minus of, since third quadrant, 1 minus cos square, that is 9 by 25. Calculating, we get 4 by 5. So cos x will be minus 5 by 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all are done in the third. Now we move to the fourth. Question number 4. Sec of x is equal to 13 by 5, and this is lies on fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, we are discussing this x o x dash, y o y dash. Now we are discussing the fourth quadrant, and this is a quadrant of cos as well as sec. So from here, cos of x will be 5 by 13. From here, sin of x, the value is minus, because we are discussing in fourth quadrant. So this 25 by 169. Now calculating, we get 12 by 13. Now from sin of x, cos x will be reciprocal of this. Now tan of x will be sin x by cos x. By putting the value of sin and cos and calculating, we get this minus 12 by 5. So this is the value of tan x. Why minus is there? Because we are discussing fourth quadrant. Now cot of x will be minus 5 by 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all are done for the question number 4. Now we move to the question number 5th. Question number 5th, tan of x is equal to minus 5 by 12. And this is lies in the second quadrant. So we are discussing this quadrant. This is the x o x dash and this is the y o y dash. This is the quadrant of sine as well as the cosine. So tan will be minus here. Now cot of x is equal to the reciprocal of this. So using this and sec of x is equal to minus of 1 plus tan square x, that is minus of 1 plus 5 by 144. Now calculating we get 13 by 12. So cos of x will be minus, this is the reciprocal of this, so 12 by 13. Now using this, sine of x will be positive because second quadrant is a quadrant of sine. Now 1 minus cos square x, that is 144 by 169. Now calculating we get 13 and this is the 5. So this is the sine of x. So cosine x is a reciprocal of sine, that is 13 by 5. All were positive because we are discussing the second quadrant. This is the complete of 5th. Now we move to the 6th. Find the value of trigonometric functions. So given that in a 6, sine of 765 degree and now sine 8 into 90 plus 45. So this is quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus of something. So this is the room. This is the all positive. So sine, why sine is there? This is the even number. So sine will be remain sine. If odd is there, then sine will be convert cos. This is the standard formula. And now this is the tan 45, and we know that the value of tan 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. So this is the complete of 6. Now we move to the 7. Question number 7 is equal to cosine of minus 1410 degree. So this will be minus cosine. Now 1410 divided with 90, then we get this. So this, so 15 multiplied with 90 plus of 60, this is the total value of this. Now 15, so 15 means this will be odd, so cosine will be convert in sec, and sec 60 is there, and now the position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 plus something, this is the room. So this is the room of cos, but we are starting process. So minus and minus, this will be the plus. So we know that sec of 60 is equal to 2. So this is the complete 7. Now we move to the 8. Question number 8 is tan 19 pi by 3 is there. So tan 19 multiplied with 60, because pi by 3 is equal to 60 degree. Now multiplying, we get 19 multiplied with 6, then we get so tan 1410. Now tan divided 1140 divided by 90, then we get this is a 240, this is a 180, this is a 60. Now this will be 12 multiplied with 90 plus of 60, because this is a even, so tan will be 10 and 60 is there. Now we are discussing the position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 plus something. So this is a first quadrant, and in first quadrant all are positive. So this will be the positive. So this will be the value tan 60 is equal to root 3. So this is the complete of 8. Now we move to the 9. Question number 9 is sine minus 11 pi by 3. So this is the minus sine 11 multiplied with 60 degree. Why 60 degree? Because pi by 3 is equal to 60 degree. Now multiplying, we get sine of 660 degree. So now sine 7 into 90 plus of 30. Now this is a odd. So sine will be convert cos, and cos 30 is there. Now we are looking for the position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus of 30. So this is the fourth quadrant, and now we are starting from sine. So this will be the additional minus is there. So minus and minus, this will be the plus. And we know that the value of cos of 30 is root 3 by 2. So this is the complete of 9. Now we move to the last and the final discussion of the day. Question number 10 is cot minus 15 pi by 4 is there. So this will be minus cot 15 multiplied with 45 degree. Why 45? Because pi by 4 is equal to 45. Okay, now multiplying, we get 45 multiplied with 15. Then we get cot of this. Now further calculating, we get 7 into 90 plus of 45. This is a odd, so cot will be 10. Tan 45 is there. Now we are looking for the position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus something. So this is the fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant cos is positive. as well as the sec is positive, and tan, cot, sine, cosec are negative. So additional negative is there, so this will be the plus, and we know that the value of tan 45 is equal to 1. So this is the complete of 10. So this is the complete of today's discussions. Hope today's discussions help you to understand this chapter and enrich your knowledge about this chapter when you practicing this chapter for the board exam as well as any kind of competitive exam.